Hey guys, welcome back to another self-care Sunday. I feel like it has been so long and I'm so excited to be filming this right now because it means that I get to treat myself just a little bit. First thing we're gonna do is get right into the shower. I want to just run through the products that I'm using right now currently because of how cold it is outside. My skin has really been drying a lot, so I'm just gonna run through those in order that I use them in the shower. I've been using this Jamaican black castor oil by Shea Moisture. It strengthens and restores. It's with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. Next up in the shower, again it's by Shea Moisture. It's Manuka honey and Maphara oil. It's intensive hydration conditioner with fig and baboya oil. So it hydrates and replenishes. Those have been my go-to now for quite a little while. I just got new conditioner. They sold out of it for a little while, but it's back now, so I'm super pumped to have that back. Next thing that I've been using is this. But it's the same as my conditioner, so it's the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration, but it's a hair mask. I put copious amounts of this on, as you see. I leave it on for as long as I can. I massage it into my scalp, I run it through my ends, and then I comb it through. I find that it just leaves my hair so soft and easy to take care of. It just gets so knotted because it's so long. So next in the shower, we wash our body, and tonight I'm just using an aromatherapy sleep. It's lavender and vanilla. Just gonna help kind of wind down the day. And then tonight I really want to do a face mask. I want to give away from Cassidy. I'm gonna link her channel down below only because she is so sweet and posts similar stuff to me. So you should go check her out and tell her that I sent you. But in her giveaway, she had face masks. So tonight we're just going to be using Cucumber Cooling. It's a peel off mask and I'm really excited. It says cool, crisp, and refreshing. This cucumber peel off face mask gently removes skin dulling impurities, while the cooling effects of cucumber and aloe help to soothe, soften, and rehydrate dry skin. Ideal for normal to combination skin. So when I was in the shower, I wanted to wash my face with this Freeman's charcoal. It's a gel mask and scrub. So it's just charcoal and black sugar, and it's thick, so it's quite scrubby. So I make sure to get really in there and basically try to exfoliate as much as I can because I know I'm doing a mask. So now that we're out of the shower, we're gonna move on to the mask. The leave-in conditioner I'm putting in my hair is by Function of Beauty. I'm gonna leave their link down below. Guys, this smells so chemically. Is that a word? I think I have it pretty even. So I'm gonna look like a grease ball for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Once it dries, I'm going to peel it off, and I hope that it is the most satisfying thing ever. So I'm just peeling off the face mask now. It feels so good. Thank you so much, Cassidy. Then I'm just gonna be following it up with my OG face lotion. You guys know I love this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys go and treat yourself to a little self-care now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you want to see more, and don't forget to comment and tell me what your favorite routine is. See you guys next time. And a little chocolate therapy never hurt either.